Paperclip plus Hermes is absolutely insane. Today, I'm going to show you something that is going to change how you think about AI forever. This is not a chatbot. This is not a tool. This is a full team of AI agents that work together all day, every day, without you touching a thing. It's called Paperclip, and it's paired with something called Hermes Agent. And once you see this, you can't unsee it. Let's dive in. So most people use AI wrong. They open a chat box, they ask one question, they get one answer, they move on. That's it. That's as far as it goes. But what if instead of one AI, you had a whole company of AI agents, a CEO agent, a marketing agent, an SEO agent, all working together, all reporting back to you, all pushing toward the same goal at the same time, 24 hours a day? That's what we're going to break down today. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency, Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so make sure you comment below. So let's talk about the two pieces here. First, Hermes Agent. Hermes Agent is not just a chat, it's a real worker. It searches the web, it writes and edits files, it runs code, it manages tasks, it even remembers what it did last week. It comes packed with 30 native tools and 80 skills. That is not a chat box, that is an employee. Now, here's the second piece, Paperclip. Paperclip is the company your AI agents work inside. Picture this, you've got Hermes Agent, and instead of just one of him, you have 20 of him or 50 of him. One doing SEO, one writing content, one handling support, one running social media, one watching your competitors. Without a system, that's chaos. You'd lose track of everything. So Paperclip was built to fix that. It's a free, open source platform that turns a pile of AI agents into an actual working company with an org chart, a ticket system, and a dashboard you can check anytime. Let me show you how this actually works, because I built this out for growing my own community, the AI Profit Boardroom, and it's wild. Step one is the goal. Inside Paperclip, you set a mission. I set mine as help grow the AI Profit Boardroom, my AI automation community. That one sentence becomes the reason every single agent on the team wakes up. AI agents don't just need a task, they need a why. Step two is the org chart. This is where it gets fun. You build your team, but instead of hiring humans, you're hiring agents. A CEO agent, a marketing agent, an SEO agent, a support agent. Every role, every reporting line, every job, all mapped out, all running around the clock, and they don't even have to be the same type of agent. One could be Hermes, one could be Claude Code, one could be something else entirely. You mix and match however you want. Step three, you launch, you hit go, and your AI company starts working. The agents wake up on a schedule called heartbeats. They check their tasks, they do the work, and they report back to you. You just sit back and watch the dashboard. And I mean, you can see everything, every task, every update in real time. And this is where I want to pause and tell you something, because if you're serious about growing a business with AI and you're only using one single AI chat, you are leaving so much on the table. If you want to see this stuff in real time and get the full system I use to run my own AI team, that's exactly what's inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save serious time using AI automation, tools like Paperclip and Hermes included. This isn't a course you watch once and forget. It's a living community where I break down exactly how I'm using these agents step by step so you can copy the setup for your own business. Inside, you get daily guides, real video walkthroughs, weekly live coaching calls where you can ask me anything directly, and a whole community of people building out their own AI teams right alongside you. We share what's working, what's not, and the newest tools the moment they drop, so you're never behind. If you're serious about using AI to grow your business the same way I'm growing mine, this is where you need to be. Go check it out, link is in the description. Step four is delegate. This is where you assign work like an actual CEO. You drop a task into the system, an agent picks it up, and it just gets done. No reminders, no babysitting, no chasing anyone down. Here's how simple it is. You go to new issue, you type out the task, something like build an SEO strategy for the iProfit Boardroom, you assign it to an agent, and that's it. The agent starts working immediately, and you can watch it happen live. Step five is iterate. You review what came back, you approve it, or you send it back with feedback, and you stay in control the whole time, but you're not the one doing the work anymore. Think of yourself as the board of directors, and your agents are the staff. So say an agent hands you keyword research for growing the AI Profit Boardroom. You look it over and say, hey, go more specific, find the best keywords for people searching for an AI automation community. And just like that, it's back to work, refining the research, no extra effort from you. Step six, you expand. Once the system is working, you scale it. Add more agents, add more goals, add more tools. I run two separate companies inside Paperclip right now, one for my personal brand, and one for my agency, each with a different mission and a different team. That's how far this can go. And this is the real shift here. The old belief is that AI is a tool you use. The new belief, and the one I want you to walk away with today, is that AI is a workforce you manage. That single shift changes everything about how you run your business. Now, let's clear up a few things people always ask me. First, is this too technical? Honestly, if you can run a group chat, you can run Paperclip. It installs with basically one command. And if you get stuck, you can even get an AI coding agent to set it up for you. The whole thing spins up on its own. No database setup, no server setup, no coding. It takes maybe 30 minutes to an hour to get fully configured. Second thing people say, I already use an AI chat. Why do I need this? Here's the difference. Using a single AI chat is like hiring one freelancer. Running Paperclip with Hermes agents is like running an entire company. One agent handles SEO, one handles content, one handles support, one runs social. They talk to each other, they report to each other, they work around the clock. That's not a chatbot, that's a team. Now, a question I get a lot, how is this different from other agent dashboards out there? The biggest difference is teamwork. Most of those tools give you a nice interface to talk to your agents one at a time. Paperclip gives you an actual organization. You get a goal, you get an org chart, you get agents working in parallel, all pointed at the same mission. It's not just prettier, it's a completely different way of operating. People also ask if this makes sense for a big company. Honestly, probably not, at least not yet. Bigger companies move slow. There's approvals, there's layers, there's compliance checks before anything gets touched. But if you're running your own business, your own agency, your own brand, you don't have those layers slowing you down. That's your advantage, and it's a massive one. Let me give you a real example of what this looked like for me. While I was recording this very video, I had an agent working in the background on a full SEO strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom. By the time I finished talking, it had already broken down priority keywords, mapped out a technical SEO plan, built a full link building strategy, and even laid out quick wins for the first 2 weeks, plus the key numbers to track. All of that happened while I did something else completely. Now imagine that, but with 50 agents all working like that all day, every single day. So here's how I'd sum it up. Hermes agent is the employee. Paperclip is the company. Put them together and you get an actual autonomous team. Agents wake up on their own schedule. They grab tasks from the queue. They do real work using real tools. They remember everything from session to session and they report straight back to you. And that's the Goldie method. Set the goal, build the org chart, launch the agents, delegate the tasks, iterate on what comes back, expand when you're ready. 6 steps, and you've gone from one person doing everything to a full team working for you around the clock. Now, here's a question for you to sit with. If you had a team of 50 agents working for you right now today, what's the first task you'd hand them? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and I might even build it out in a future video. Before you go, if you want to build out your own AI team, like the one I just showed you, and use it to grow your own business, that's exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save serious time with AI automation, tools like Paperclip and Hermes included. Come join us. Link is in the description. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from this one, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are figuring this stuff out together. See you in the next one.